Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V20 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So first of all we will begin with the shortest way to check it, because we can do it using a secret code, and after that I will show you how to do it using the settings if for some reason the code won't work. So let's open the dialer, tap on the keypad, and let's enter the code which is *#06#. And as I said, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you the second way. So we have to enter the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and find About Phone. And here we have to scroll down again. And as you can see, here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and above it we've got model and hardware. So if you'd like to check the serial number, you have to enter here, and the serial number is right in the middle. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your VIVO V20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.